All right, so this is what I traded today or reviewed today. So ticker symbol MCRB. Um, after you can see here, after its run up yesterday, it came down. Uh, and failed. So today I was watching it, and literally, excuse me, excuse me. Literally every stock that I was watching and anticipating, I was correct on every single one. Um, this stock, I was anticipating that it was just gonna fade all day or just go down, but I was really market open. I was really looking for like a on market open. I was looking for like a bounce, but it faded first and had a bounce, and then it faded the rest of the day. And I was just watching too many stocks today to really even focus on one or focus on the right one. Not only that, when I noticed my scanners had like, I don't think there was a stock over 50% pre-market. So it was pretty much dead, but I knew because it was dead, the stocks that ran the previous day were gonna come down because the markets were dead. If the markets are dead, people are getting rid of their shares, and I should have paid attention to that, but instead I viewed it as the market's dead. I'm gonna go take a nap, and I went to bed. And I'm really trying to be more disciplined in that area in trading, where I actually watch the markets the entire day. But I'm working on it. I'm just working on it. But MCRB faded it for the whole day. I knew it was. I was just looking for it to bounce when the market opened and didn't fade, but it actually faded. It had a panic, and then it bounced and faded the rest of the day. And I could have shorted that, but I wasn't disciplined enough to even pay attention to the markets for the day. And then OMER, uh, I was watching today. It faded as soon as the market opened, I believe. Oh no, where is this? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so I don't remember what stock I traded. I don't know if it was. Yeah, I traded MC, MC, MCRB today, and sorry, I forgot to put that in. And I think I shorted like right when the market opened, and it ended up squeezing on me, and I covered late, but it ended up squeezing on me. And then I tried shorting like somewhere around here, but got impatient, didn't feel like holding on to it. It didn't even hit my risk. And then I got out. I had lost like 200 something bucks, and it just went exactly the way I thought it would. So I'm up only a buck 30 for the day. I mean, I lost 200 start of the week. Then I my second trade for the day for from yesterday. Today's Tuesday, so Monday, I lost 200, but I made 600. So I was up like 350 bucks roughly, and now I lost another 200 bucks, 220 bucks. So I'm up pretty much a buck 30 for the week, which is horrible because I could have made a lot more. There was so much opportunity yesterday and today. So I exited too early, being impatient, not feeling like not in the mood to hold, and it just tanked and faded without me. And that's on me for not being disciplined enough to stay on the market. So today, um, uh, OM OMER, um, I don't think I was really watching this too much, but I knew it was gonna fade because um, the day before it had this big run up, bounce, faded, after hours, faded some more, and I was watching it in the morning. I was expecting it to have some kind of bounce or just continue to fade. If I stayed a attention to it, it could have done something. I could have saw an area where to get in, but this sideways price action right here or choppiness going up and down constantly, I wouldn't be able to sit there and watch and be disciplined on that. So I'm glad I kind of ignored it. But if I were to just stay on it the entire day, I could have made $5 a share because, um, you know, by 11 o'clock, look how much it faded from the 19s, from mid 19s, high 19s, all the way down to fucking 1560. So I mean, like, there was so much money to be made the day yesterday and today. So I have no excuse on why I missed this trade. Like from 25 to $15 now. Like I have no fucking excuse. I was just slacking and being lazy, and that's my fault. You see how much it went down from $25 to $15? I could have profited off on this stock even more. For that swing trader who shorted up over here and held it for 2 days, I mean, congrats to them. Someone like Superman will do that, but I just need to be more disciplined and more committed. I'm slacking. Um, other than those two stocks on my watch list, I had CNDT on my watch list as well. Um, I kept it on my watch list because it caught my interest. Let me see if I can find it. So here you go. So it had its run up on Friday as well. Monday it went up. It pushed up, and then I was checking to see will it pass this top high resistance, this resistance area at roughly $5, a little bit over $5. And then when I saw that it yesterday that it got near the high day, highest point in multi days, I wanted to see what it would do the next day. So I kept it on my watch list, and I was watching it pre-market right here to see what it was gonna do, and it did the same thing that any gap down would do, and it had a panic and it bounced, and then it just faded. And that's what I was anticipating. Would it challenge? I was anticipating that if it would challenge the multi-day highs and fade. And it did exactly what I thought. It faded, and I was like, yet another missed opportunity because I failed to pay attention to what's going on to all the stocks for the day. I just gave up after I saw that there was no stocks. There was no stock over 50%. I think I didn't see any stock over 20% today, and I just walked away from my computer, which is horrible. But that's my fault, bro. And I need to really be disciplined on that. Let me talk to you about all the other stocks that I watched. What else? There was another stock. No, it's not it. It was EYEN. was a stock, was one of the stocks. Yeah, I'll just type it in. EYEN was another stock I was watching, and this shit faded right out the gate. I mean, there was two stocks like this that just faded right out the gate. Just market open, boom. Before even market open, if you see right here, the purple area means pre-market. White and gray means market open. But before market even open, it dropped like $1.50, and I was looking for it to bounce up higher so I can short around here at the high of day, pre-market highs. But it just fucking tanked. And those are one of those trades you can't really control because it just tanks. You can do like a starter. You can do like a starter short like Gratani does, but from a starter short from $1.50, that was just too high for me, and I decided not to do it. I decided not to short it. It was just too high. Another stock. What was it? I think it was. There was another stock that did the same thing. I don't know if it was this one. I mean, this looks familiar, but nah, it had to be true. No, not true. But there was another stock. I don't remember. I already took it off my watch list. But there was another stock that literally just tanked, just like EYEN did. But yeah, man, there's much opportunity today. I failed because I decided not to pay attention for the whole day, but mainly with ticker symbol mcrb. On the second day here, I had the chance to I shorted from the bottom of the channel right here. I had the chance to short from here. I had the chance to short from here because my lack of commitment, my laziness, I missed this whole opportunity. So I'm only up $1.30 for the week. And if I don't fucking get this right, I'm gonna continue to fail at this, and this is something I need to correct.